Wancho muligereria ni gaboroki wa kuruchi school aho babiri bagosemi gwakoene kimuna ngonyera bari kubwatana mona borokia abanyabaranya ko to school cyabo ani gago cha maiga y'umwalimu w'amane ko rwase school yeri yabe korokana kurusi wa kase school na konyara ko irwa ase school ngao umwalimu yumesha kiorure ni gobono anyare ko bolia umwalimu mujya oyubono retu asensemeni code mansion songo kone kimuna nkupatara na rama na baibuli amana boroki wa asokonyara ko kinia masomo ase school eyo ni go chinga kyo cy'umwalimu yumuyekera na asensemi yate biruna nacho kubwatana nabo igama na bahiboli korengana n'umwalimu meshaka orure oyibono kunganya kure school na konde school ngao nigate biruna na kobereni ya bahiboli mbya so kubwatana babwatana chinga kya berega kuro bokorri ba school yo nagote yabuna mbagendere kubwatana asenchire mu gosende kone kibuna ngokindi bale birango bya kisemi ngana nyara ko igwo koboko no motereni bwo kisemi kurwase sub county ya Masaba North Gabriel Ogano oyibono baraka wasi olya sobo kana gote yabuna mbagendere gosire kisemi ane mono asoro gongo yina bwo kunyara ko kinia school yo.
I thank the parents, the teachers, my deputy who is here, and other stakeholders. Pambwatisri as a school way, a success in school is because of teamwork. Not the school way, ya what a pass to Kanyore a pass during my time. A school way, ya what a match. Toka weke borehole, wana wabwate plenty of water. A school where you have a permanent dormitory for boys, but now we have a storage, although rendetera era, lakini which can house more than 300 boys. And apart from that, we have added 2 more classrooms, modern classrooms, through the help of the current Member of Parliament, Honorable Gusii.
Tuwabwatirane n'omwalimu n'abalimu bande n'abana n'abayibali tuwakinire school tuwayekira twikire yetogosaba asama tukayanga enderete koba nyasa tubwatesie egaroba muboga enderere na ndiga singiye koleke eri school eske go to another level ase Mr. Rura yetigire
nari ko request serikali n'umuchumbo ito Mheshimiwa Gusii school yegerese etente so ndobwate program sana yechicho akiari kwanja atoroseria pollution the modern pollution block no ani atoroseria waise kechicho ange 12 na bamura 10 tutashukuru sana
challenge kirese ese community cheito abantu mbaro bale ba decide ko salia abantu mo especially abantu batagetiri n'abanafunzi ekiana bale babugata chinguru bona yoro dozo banga abana sibagutoka ndonzi etanga kurwa se gurubu embe ebibilia ko tabalie se kitabu kya bakolinde ntangani 15:30 ngapa di companies ruins good character igabane etanga kurwa si bad company aba sabu chimbe egera motoboe.
We have conducted a very successful taking over ceremony from Mr. Mesha Korure to Mr. Nicodemus Onsongo. So he's leaving Rehabe High School, a better school than he found it. So we are very, very proud of him, and we want to wish him the very best as he proceeds to the next station. To the new principal, I want to assure you of our support as an office. I want to thank the board for standing with the new principal, and for the learners, we have also noted that the levels of discipline are very high. I want to urge the learners to keep up those